In this video, I'm going to show you how you can produce histograms and density plots and combine the two into a single graph using base R. All the data and code for this can be found in the link below the video. So the data set we're going to use is the same one as I used in my box plots video. If you haven't watched that, please do. It's a great video. So we're going to read in that data and we're going to call our data frame DF. So here's the data. Nothing particularly exciting here, and we're only going to be looking at this variable here, concern. So this is people's concern about studying statistics on a 1 to 20 scale. Now, it's quite straightforward to produce histograms using base R because all we need to do is use our hist command. That produces a histogram. So we ask for a histogram of our variable in our DF data frame called concern. And this produces us our histogram. So we've got the frequency across scores and concern. If you want to change the thickness of columns, you can just simply use this command, breaks equals, and the number of breaks that you want. So if we change that to breaks to 10, there we go. So we can change that if we like. Generally, though, you tend to just leave it as default there. So here's our histogram. Now we may want to produce instead a density plot. So we don't have a simple command for density plot. What we need to do is calculate the density of this variable, which is basically just your likelihood of having the score along the continuum. So what I'm going to do is create an object called concern density plot. And that object is produced by the density of our concern variable. So we've calculated the density for the concern variable, and then we simply ask for a plot of it. Because this is produced using the density command, R knows you want to do a density plot. So we just say plot concern density plot. And there we go. We've got our density plot. And it does look a bit like the histogram, essentially. Now, you may want to have this, the density, plotted over the histogram. So plot the density over that. Now you've got a problem with doing that, and it's your y-axis. So this y-axis is your frequency. So it's got 0, 12, so on. But if we look at density, you can see the y-axis isn't scored like that at all. So we've got a problem. And what we essentially need to do is rescale this somehow. So if you want to do that, this is how we do it. First of all, what we'll do is we're going to create an object of our first histogram. So we're going to call that concern hist. And that's just the same command we used before to produce the histogram, but we're going to save it as an object. To run now. And now we need to work out what our multiplier is to make our axes match. And that is concern histogram counts divided by concern histogram density. Okay, so that will produce us our multiplier. So save that. And then we calculate do our density plot. So it's again, density for DF concern. So exactly the same before, except I'm saving it as an object. And then we're telling R that concern density Y is the density of Y in our density plot times our multiplier. So this is going to rescale our axis for us. So now we've done that, we can combine these things together. So first of all, I'm just going to do our plot our histogram. So we've already made the histogram, so all I need to do is ask for a plot of it. So plot our concern hist. I'm just going to change the colour. So our colour, we've only got one colour. So our list is just one thing. I've chosen yellow. I'm going to neaten up a little bit as well. My xlab, the x-axis, is going to be concern rather than $$ concern. And we can put a title if we like as well. I'm just going to call it my histogram. So there we go. So I've tidied this up. And now we can just use this. This is going to add our density line, but our density line has been nicely rescaled. So we just use the command lines and concern density. Concern density. We run that. There we see it has plotted our density plot neatly over the top, and we've now scaled it. So let's say I don't rescale it. I just make it my histogram, concern hist. And then I say concern density 2. So I'm going to create density plot here without any rescaling it. And then I'm simply going to add with lines this concern density 2. So what you're going to see, it's appeared, you can just about see it. Just about see it there. That's because I haven't rescaled it. So the scale on that's absolutely tiny. So we can't see that. Instead, we need to follow this procedure, work out our multipliers, and then we get our density plot appearing nice and neatly.